Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, I'm going to take you through our first assignment on Python, that is Hello World assignment code 000. So before you go to the actual assignment, ensure that you go through the reading material that you have been provided with. That is the Python tutorial, Whetting Your Appetite using the Python interpreter, an informal introduction to Python, how to use strings formatter in Python 3, learn to program, and PY code style, which stand for the Python code style, and supposed to be the style guide for Python code. So to ensure that you get the assignment quite easy for you, go through the reading material. So I'll take you through the quizzes in the shortest time possible. Then we dive into the actual project. Number one, what does this command line print? So we have A is equal to Python is cool, and you will find that supposed to print. This is what's supposed to be printed, and this is for the output. So we have print. What are we supposed to print? We have A06, so it's supposed to be this one, Python. Then what does this command line print? So we have print brackets, and we have F opening remarks, closing remarks. So what will be printed on this one is what is inside the quotation marks, and that is 98 Battery Street. So this is the correct answer. So who created Python? And as usual, this is a good fun for some. Then we have next part. What are these command line prints? So we have A is equal to Python is cool. Then you have 6, so it will print definitely Python, which is the same as this one. This question is the same as question number 0. Then the next number, we have what does this command line print? We have Python is cool. Then we have A 7 minus 5, so it will print is. Then what does this command line print? We have Python is cool. We have -2. For -2, from this other side it will print 0. So it will print from the left, not the left but the right, from the right side, which is 1. We have the L 0, so it will give 0. So a negative will always count from the right. A positive number will count from the left. Okay, next number we have what does this command line print, which is 98 Battery Street. Remember what you have said, the double quotation is what is going to be printed. So definitely the answer will be 98 Battery Street, San Francisco. Number 7, what does this command line print? We have Python is cool. Then we have the 4. So definitely print 0, as you can see. Number 8, what does this command line print? We have Alberton School, so it will definitely, what is inside the quotation is what is going to be printed. So definitely going to print this one. Then our last question, which is on our project 001 Python Hello World, we have what are these line command, and as usual we have said that Python is cool, so we have 7. So we have 7, so it will print is cool. So that was what we are supposed to give out as an answer for this particular assignment, or the first part of which involves the quiz before you move on to the projects. So to ensure that you find your things quite easy, go through the reading material. Now in the next project, I will prepare I will tackle all these questions and give explanation on each. So thank you for taking time to watch.